friends, welcome to the first match today's SKN vs SLZ. Before knowing the preview of this match, please go to the Telegram channel and type target for Grand League. You will get my Telegram channel, so please subscribe my Telegram channel so that I will give you the teams and I will give you the tips and I will give you the stats of the each and every player. Now you will know the preview of this video, so listen carefully. I will complete this preview in the short time only, and I will tell you the important combinations and important tips also. So listen carefully. When you will be Brain Lara Stadium and time is 7:30. When you start, average first scoring is 153, average second score will be 147 in this pitch, and pitch condition is the pitch is here considered to be slow, and it will be hard for the batsmen to score runs quickly. Fast bowlers will also have to struggle to pick up wickets. Spinners and medium pacers bowlers will play a crucial role. And weather conditions expected 15% of rain, temperature 30 degrees Celsius. Probable playing 11 of Stein Barriers and Chrislin, Evan Lewis and Kelly Dinesh Ramdin, Ben Dung, J Hamilton, R Emirates, D Breaks, I Sodhi, J Jagser and S Cottrell. These are the playing 11 of the Patriots. And coming to the St. Lucia Jukes, R Cornwell, A Fletcher, M Dale, N Jordan, R Chase, M Nabi, D Sammy, S Bin Jaffer, K Williams, S Kujlijian, O McCoy. These are the expected playing of the both teams. And now we will know the stats of the SKN players. Evan Lewis, the opener batsman, and he is very attacking player. 59 matches, 1,552 runs. And Chrislin is the another important player. He is also very attacking player who can score huge runs, and he starts at 31 matches, 742 runs. And Kelly is another middle order batsman who has an experienced player and who can get score 20 to 30 runs, and he starts at 40 matches, 737 runs. Dinesh Ramdin, 2 down batsman, 76 matches, 1,243 runs. Bandung, 3 down batsman, 9 matches, 144 runs. J Hamilton, 14 matches, 114 runs. And R Emirates, 75 matches, 85 wickets. D Drake, 6 down, 1 match, 51 runs, 2 wickets. Saudi, 2 matches, 2 wickets. S Cottrell, 8 down, 50 matches, 69 wickets. J Jackson, 18 matches, 31 wickets. I am telling you the combination of the SKN players, so please listen carefully. Evan Lewis and Chrislin can get huge runs in the power play only, so try to remember that they both can bat very well in the power play. So maybe I am expecting today they both will rock in this today's match. So try to keep them both as a captain and vice captain choices also. If they both will fail, then remember that N Kelly, Dinesh Ramdin, Ben Dung, J Hamilton, these four players who can play crucial role in the middle order batsman who can get huge runs. Try to keep the combination of N Kelly, Dinesh Ramdin, and try to keep the combination of the D Ramdin and Ben Dung. And if you are playing so many teams, then you can go with Ben Dung and J Hamilton. So these are the combinations you can go with him. And coming to the bowling, D Drakes, Emirates, Cottrell, Jackson. These are the four pacers who are bowling, and there is only one spinner, is Saudi. So you can go with your choice of bowling combination. My choice will be S Cottrell, D Drakes, E Emirates, because these three bowlers are very important bowlers, because S Cottrell who swings the ball in the power play and he can get some wickets, and R Emirates, as you know, is the captain, he has some responsibility. D Drakes who can bat very well and who can get some wickets also. Coming to stats of the St. Lucia Jukes players, R Cornwell, opener batsman, 33 matches, 544 runs, 16 wickets. A Fletcher, 66 matches, 1,870 runs. MDL domestic record is 4 matches, 55 runs. R Chase, 6 matches, 129 runs. N Jordan domestic record is 115 matches, 1,232 runs. M Nabi, 12 matches, 98 runs, 9 wickets. D Sammy, 5 down, 62 matches, 856 runs, 23 wickets. O McCoy, 15 matches, 19 wickets. S Kujlijian, 95 matches, 567 runs, 85 wickets. D Williams, 8 down, and or you can promote him, 29 matches, 53 wickets. Has been Jafar, 11 matches, 17 wickets. I am telling the combinations also, so please listen carefully. You can avoid or Cornwell because he can't bat while the Scottrell ball, he will suffer somewhat, so you can avoid him. If you want, you can go with him also. Or A Fletcher can bat very well, and there is a somewhat chance also to, because the ball will swing, and so that he may also suffer. So try to, if you are playing so many teams, try to leave this both in one team. And MDL is another important youngster who can distract. He is the very distract player who can bat very well, and he is bowling 1 or 2 hours also. So try to remember one point. If on Cornwell, A Fletcher will fail, try to remember middle order batsman is the main strongest players. MDL, R Chase, and Jordan, M Nabi. These are the four players who can bat very well. So you have to go with these four combinations also. Try to go with them. D Sammy, you can avoid him. And coming to the bowling side, K. Williams, S. Kuzlian is the another very important player. S. Jaffer is the spinner. And coming to the opening bowling combination for SKN, Cottrell and Drakes will open the bowling. Middle order bowling combination will be Sodhi, Emirates, Jaxer. Depth bowling combination Emirates, Cottrell, Jaxer and Drakes. Opening combination from SLJ is S. Jaffer, Kuzlijan, M. Nami. Middle order bowling combination M. Nabi, R. Chase, R. Connell, M. Dale. Depth order bowling combination will be Kesrick Williams, S. Kuzlijan, Om. Okay. Players to watch today's match is Chris Lynn, who didn't score very well in previous matches, and Evan Lewis too. So R. Cornwell, as I said, you remember the point that Sheldon Cottrell, while bowling, he can't bat, he may suffer. So it's your choice only. I am leaving. A. Fletcher is another player who didn't perform anything. Amdale is the youngest district player who can score huge runs. Try to remember, you can keep him as an important player. Dinesh Ramlin also didn't score very well. If SKN also top order batsman we felt, then middle order. And Dinesh Ramlin is also another important player. And Killy, as I said, captain and vice captain choices are Chrislin, Evan Lewis, MDL, Archers, R. Cornwell, M. Nabi, A. Fletcher. Now I will show you the demo team also, so please listen carefully. And I will tell you this is the demo team. While the toss will come, so that I may change the teams also. So this is the demo team. I will give you the teams in my Telegram channel only. So please listen carefully. Why I am keeping the players also, I will explain you everything. So please listen carefully, friends. As I said, A. Fletcher can score somewhat runs, and Dinesh Ramlin, as I said, if the middle order fails, so Dinesh Ramlin, Ben Duncan play. That's why I am going with MDL, as I said, destroy to play. Prislin and Evan Lewis, who can score very well in the power play. That's why I am going both the Archers, M. Nabi. If the SLJ's middle order will fail, opener will fail, then middle order can bat very well. As I said, the three important pieces from this team, RM is Cottrell, Drakes. This is my demo team, and I will show you the screenshot of the previous Grand League, so that if you believe in my if you believe this video, so try to subscribe my Telegram channel, YouTube channel, and share this videos. This is my Grand League team, friends. My rank is 640, just missed by 2 players only. So I am trying to giving the best teams only. If you like this video, please subscribe my Telegram channel, YouTube channel, and my Telegram channel description in my YouTube channel description. So please subscribe my Telegram channel. Thank you, friends.